Yo guys, what is up? It's Tomahawk and I'm doing today. I haven't done a vlog in a long time, so you guys haven't seen my ugly face in a long time. So pretty much 4th of July, happy 4th of July. You guys gotta see my bandana and wet my hat on. I look ridiculous, but anyways, so pretty much that's what doing today. Just editing the a secret video right now. I'm not gonna tell you guys. You guys will find out in a update video I'm gonna be doing soon. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, pretty much watching my editing right now, but you guys aren't seeing it. Anyways, so yeah, that's what's going on there. Pretty much hope you guys enjoy your 4th of July, you know, blow some fireworks, eat a lot of food. That's what us Americans do, I guess. Anyways, so I'm gonna go and finish my editing, then go hang out with family, and then I will see you guys soon.
Hello. I'm eating it.
It's to rain later. I know.
It's called Man of War.
That was gay.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, no, there's more.
Literally.
That was only 2.
Alright, mate.
My first time. Are you there, mister? Look at that thing go! Holy God! No, wait!
Light it, mate.
Dude, shoot that. I already lit it. It's not working. Alright, hold on. Adam!
Something's not right.
That right there. Oh!
There it is, mate. There it is. Perfect. Dude, you were really like thrusting that thing. Bam!
I was like touching it. I'm like,
Oh.
Look and go. It's his first time. Wait. Give it some ease. Oh! Oh! Time it. Oh! Shoot it out of your butthole. Aim at the ground. Aim at the ground. Aim at the ground. Aim at the ground. Oh! 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 Oh no! Hey, you got me.
Oh, look at you. Nice mate. Nice mate.
This next generation, man. Where's my lighter at, mate?
Nice mate. Nice mate.
Did you blow it up yourself?
Start up, mate.
Come on, mate. This one might be a dud.
Looks like you're smoking a cigar.
Oh, jeez. They're shooting this way.
Calm down. You guys need to make sure no one's in the way. Get a bucket of water. Yeah, get a bucket of water.
Someone get a bucket of water.
No, we all just sat down. Watch out.
Keaton's in the way.
Turn around.
Woo!
We missed
There you go. Good job. Just
Don't
like that.
lean over it.
Well,
Bend down.
They haven't lit it.
Whoa. Caitlin, look
It's got a
out.
long wick to it.
Is that the one you push all the way down and then the wick sticks out the top?
Yeah.
Two places now.
Adam's doing the bomb.
Don't do 2.
The old house.
Yeah.
That one went through the fence. And
Whoa! 3, 2, 1. Wow!
That one didn't good.
Someone's got their car on over here.
Who's that?
I don't know. Someone's leaving their store.
Oh, they're leaving.
Yeah, but I don't know.
another big one.
Look out.
Wow!
Josh, you gotta make sure it gets all the way down, bud. Shake it upside down, make sure there's nothing blocking it. Because it gets, they get burnt inside.
It'll swell.
Yeah.
Hold on.
You did right. That might be why it's not going high enough.
Watch out! Watch
Miles! Wow!
That was nice. So now, playing games after fireworks. Adam, what do you got to say about this?
I'm tired.
Zachary, what do you got to say?
I'm tired.
Tired, Connor?
Dude, I've been waiting for this
What?
forever.
Okay.
Got gold camo.
He got his gold camo GTA 5. Ooh, nice. Yeah, so anyways, so we're gonna play some games and we're gonna go to bed. So, see you guys soon. See you guys, that's our 4th of July. Everyone's gone now. It's July 5th now. So, but anyways, yeah, this video's going up on July 5th. So, yeah, anyways, hope you guys did enjoy that vlog. I haven't edited it yet, but I'm sure it's kind of long, I assume. Now the other footage when I'm in the footage, my parents or someone is recording it because I told them to do a vlog and record it, sure. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy some of the pool action, the fireworks. You know, it's a little really dark. Hopefully, fireworks is what all matters. But anyways, hope you guys did enjoy that. Yeah. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. If you guys want to see more vlogs, me and my cousins are going to Disney in a couple of days. If you guys are watching this months later, it's already up. Anyways, and then we're gonna be doing a lot of about 2 or 3 vlogs there. A lot more crap. So anyway, guys, if you guys didn't know, please hit that like button. Also, comment and subscribe for more videos. Anyway, guys, this is Tom Walken for 51, and I'll see you guys next time. See you.